I would like to ask one question. When you was learning English skills, so what are the things you learn from those challenges when you was learning English skills and when you was facing lots of problem?
Okay, fine. So when I was facing lot of problem during, like when I was talking to people, okay,
Uh,
because when I was improving myself, when I was talking to people, so what are the things I have learned and what are the things I have learned from my challenges? Okay. So number one thing, first of all, I would recommend every people who are watching us just try to talk to a lot of people. Okay, that will
mm,
really help you. So
mm,
when I was talking to people, I was getting positive people as well, negative people as well. Okay, because
okay.
whenever you are in the public, okay, you can't
Mm-hmm.
get only good people. You have to
Yeah.
tackle with both the people, positive people, negative people, good people, bad people. So I
Mm,
was getting every kind of people, good people, bad people. So I was learning from both the people. From good people also I was learning good things, and from bad people also I was learning bad things. Okay, because I was thinking that every person have a good skill or a good knowledge in himself or herself. Okay, for
mm,
example, any person, not only good person have good thing, bad person have also good thing in
mm,
themselves. Okay, you need to figure it out. Okay, so when I was talking to people, by talking to them, I was learning a lot of things about their profession, about their job, about their business, about different states. Because I am from a village basically, and I don't know about different kind of state, different kind of people, different kind of skills and all. But gradually, by talking to them, I got to know, okay, these are the skills, these are the opportunities, these are the career, these are different states, these are countries, these people talk like that, these are the human behavior. So I have learned a lot of things in my life. And second question, as you asked, that what are the things I learned from my challenges? So number one
mm,
thing I learned from my challenges is that, okay, you should you should not give up. Okay, whatever you are doing, not only in
mm,
English, not only in communication skills, in any sector, if you're in business, if you're an entrepreneur, or you are anything in the world, if you're studying also,
mm,
if you're a student
mm,
also, you should not give up. Definitely
mm,
it is 100% sure that you will get some problem, you will have some
mm,
problem, you will have some challenges. So what
mm,
80% people, what they do, they give up. I have talked to a lot
mm,
of people. Okay, they were learning English, they have done it for 1 or 2 months, they gave up. Okay, they thought, okay, in 1 2 months I am not improving, just I'm giving up the things. This is the biggest
mm,
mistake they are doing. Okay, so the number one and most important thing I learned, we should
mm,
never give up, we should continue whatever we are doing. Definitely one day, for example, just think that when I started improving my English and communication skills, okay, within 2 3 months I would have give up. I would have
mm,
not talking to you right now here. Okay, I would not be sitting with you right now, or I would not be in YouTube channel. Okay, or I would not be helping people. I would be somewhere studying or doing something. Okay, I would be in my room. No, but right now I'm doing something because I was having an attitude that I will never give up whatever will happen. So this is the thing,
mm.
most important thing I learned from my challenges and problems. We should never give up. No matter what
Wow.
you are, don't give up whatever you are doing right now. Yes.
Wow, that's good. It means I can say you was very courageous and very crazy personality on that time.
Ex-
You was
Exactly.
crazy to learn something new. Absolutely, yeah.
Exactly.
Doesn't
Exactly.
matter you are facing problem or not. You always consider if you was facing problem, so you take as a challenges as a opportunity. So yeah, it was good mindset you had
Exactly.
earlier.
Exactly. Thank you. Thank
So,
you.
yeah, so I would like to ask 3 4 questions based upon our audience. So just like I have seen lots of people. Okay, they are good at in English grammar, but when it comes to speak, they are not able to speak. Why these things is happening?
Okay, got it. Got it. Yeah. So I have talked to a lot people. So what happened with them? They focus a lot on grammar. They know past tense, present tense, future tense, lot of things: definite verb, indefinite verb, noun, pronoun, past continuous, everything they know. When time comes of speaking, they don't know everything, anything. Okay, they can't speak. And if you will ask
Yeah.
me, Mr. Ravi, right now, that what is definite verb, what is indefinite verb, I can't say these things. I don't know these
I
things
am
because
also, brother. I don't know also. I learned from experience. I also absorb how another people are speaking. I also
exactly.
absorb from observation.
Yeah. So grammar is important, okay, but don't dedicate 100% on grammar. Somehow
Hmm.
grammar is important, okay. When you don't know how to frame sentence, if you don't know how to structure sentence, that time you can learn grammar. That time you can improve grammar. But if you want to speak good, if you want to become a good speaker, okay, definitely you have to speak. You have to do
Hmm.
practice. You have to talk to people because I have talked
Hmm.
to lot people. Okay, what I have talked. They are saying that Rishabh, I'm learning grammar. I'm every day writing something. I'm learning grammar, past and present tense. I'm doing translation. Why I'm not a good speaker? I'm doing it from past 2 years, past 3 years. Why I'm not a good speaker? I said that, brother, if you will take my suggestion, I will suggest you leave grammar right now. Start practicing. Start talking to people.
Speaking. Yeah,
Within
yeah, right.
within 2-3 months, okay, if you will not become good, okay, you have to become. You will definitely become if you give the right dedication. Grammar is
Mm.
also important, but give very less time in grammar. Okay, 80% you should invest your time in practice. Okay, what I believe, 80% of your time you should invest in practicing. Rest 20% invest in reading, writing, grammar, movies, music. Lot of things are there, vocabularies. Invest in that. 80% in practicing, talking to people, having conversation, interacting with people. 20% in whatever you want to do. This is a fundamental thing to become good speaker according to me. This is my own views. Different person
Mm.
have different things to say.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Wow, it's a really great answer. Great.
Yes,
So I have also one question, okay, based upon our, audience. So
exactly.
I have seen few people, not a majority of people. So they do practice in terms of reading, okay, in terms of reading, in terms of watching, they are watching something new, but
Hmm.
they are not talking to people. They feel hesitate, shy, especially
Okay.
girls. I have seen really.
uh,
You can also relate. They don't
exactly, yes,
talk
yes.
to people. Why? So if they are not talking to a stranger or someone else, what things can happen in their life? They can improve their English skills. Maybe it will be take lots of time.
Okay, fine. So let me tell you the things, okay, as you have said the things, okay, they feel shy. For example, you want to learn swimming, okay,
Mm,
just example, you want to learn swimming. I think you so a lot of for example, I want to learn swimming and I will say I'm very afraid of water.
mm.
Can I learn swimming?
No, it's not possible.
Not possible. Same
Mm,
thing, if you want to improve English, if you want to improve communication skills, you have to come to the battleground. You have to talk to people. You have to initiate talking. You have to learn. When I started, okay, I was a very introvert guy. I was very hesitated to talk to different people, okay, different professional people, different businessmen. I was very hesitated. But
mm,
right now I can talk to any person, no matter he's a businessman, he is a
mm,
celebrity or anything. I can talk with him very comfortably. Why? Because I
mm,
have practice. I have the good exposure for that. So same thing, English is also like a different skill. For example, swimming. If you want to swim, you have to get into the water. First day
mm,
you can only sit into the water. You can jump into the water. Gradually you can swim. Same thing in English. First, if
mm,
you're coming into English journey, you have to talk a little bit. How are you? What is your name? Little bit. You have to initiate the conversation. Gradually you can go long. Same as swimming.
mm,
So if you want to
mm,
learn something, you have to do practice. You have to come. You have to take the things. You have to take the opportunity. You have to grab. You have to talk to people. Then only you can do the things. So definitely
mm,
shy. Like even I was feeling shy that time when I started. I was thinking what I will talk. I was having nothing in my mind because a 16, 15-year-old guy, how he can talk to a big businessman, how he can talk to CA, doctor, engineer, how he can talk. So, but gradually talking. Okay, right now I can talk to anybody. Just you have to start the thing. Just start
mm,
it. If you, but first take out this thing from mind that I'm a bad speaker or I can't talk to people or something. Take out everything. Just
mm,
talk to people. Just talk. Anyhow, do normal conversation. Talk on any topic. Ask any question. Do anything. Just talk to people. Automatically, by doing the thing, automatically you will become expert in that. So this is my
mm.
suggestion.
वाह एब्सोल्युटली राइट हु आर साई पर्सन सो उन सबको दिल पे पत्थर रख के दे शुड स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग विद समवन एल्स अदरवाइज दे कांट बिकम गुड स्पीकर इन देयर लाइफ इट्स वेरी हार्ड
Mhm.
wow that's
Exactly.
good amazing I have also one question brother
Uh, uh,
so I have seen majority of people lots of people in my entire life because I have talked 2k plus people in my entire life
okay.
so what I have seen in people,
Mhm.
people can talk to someone else with the help of calling, okay, with full of confidence. But when it's come to, in reality, in physically, live talking, they are not able to talk to someone else. Means they feel hesitate, nervousness. So how? Why these things is happening in their life? Because I have also seen and in my career.
Okay, got it. So the thing is that okay. So a lot of people have misconception. Even I was having this misconception. Okay, I will tell you what was a misconception with me. Okay, so
Mm.
what I was thinking 5 to 6 months ago, I
Uh,
was talking very nicely in single to single call. For example, if you will call me, no, I think you have talked to me a lot of time. Okay, and who have talked to me, they can know that I was talking very well in single to single call. Very well, I was able to express the things. But
uh,
one day I joined a meeting, and do you
mm,
know what happened that day? I was unable to talk. I was
mm,
feeling very bad. Why I am able to single call in very good. In
uh,
meeting I am unable to talk. In video call I am unable to talk. In public I am unable to talk. But
uh,
gradually I came to know the things. Okay, that everything is different. Same.
uh,
I would like to give an example with swimming. Okay,
uh,
when you are swimming in a swimming pool, water is very calm. You can swim very.
uh,
Okay,
uh,
when I will take you to the river, little bit
uh,
difficult you will face in swimming because there will be lot of streams and lot of things. If I will take you to the ocean, you will
mm,
find more difficulties in swimming. Very big ocean is there. Same
yeah.
thing, communication skills. Same thing is with English. If you are thinking that you can talk very good in single to single call, it doesn't mean you can talk confidently in meetings. It doesn't mean you can talk in video call. It doesn't mean you can speak with same confidence in public speaking. So these things are different. Okay, so
Mm,
you have to learn all those things. If you can swim in a swimming pool, you have to learn swimming in river, you have to learn swimming in pond, you have to learn swimming in ocean. Same thing, if you can talk single to single call, that is a different skill.
mm,
Talking in call is a different skill. Joining talking in meetings is a different skill. You have to
mm,
learn that also. Talking in a video call, right? I and you are talking in a video call. A lot of people
right,
can
right, right.
talk online in video call, but they can't talk, okay, in video call. So same thing, and talking in front of public is different. So what we have to do, we have to learn all these 4 to 5 things. Okay, if you can talk in video to single call, it is good. Now upgrade yourself. Come to
Mm,
meetings. Talk
mm,
in meetings. If you can talk very good in meetings, come to video call. Talk in video meetings. If you can do it very good, come to public. Talk to single to single person. If you can
yeah.
talk to friends, if you can talk to your relative in English, or in, you can communicate them offline in very good. Now it's time to come in front of public. Come in front of 50 people. If you can talk in front of 50 people, come in front of 1,000 people. Okay, like this, you have to increase your level. You have to upgrade yourself day by
Mm,
day. Think
mm,
that if you are talking single to single call, very good. You will be able to talk in front of public 100 people same way. No, both things
mm,
are different. We should learn,
yeah.
and also I'm trying to learn, okay, different things gradually. Yes.
Wow, wow, that's good, absolutely. And here is a one interesting, incident I would like to share. When I would conduct, English conference call session, and you always come. You always used to come with my session because you was very crazy personality on that time. So that's the reason now you are able to speak with full of confidence, and
Correct.
your body is, your everything is good. Means now I can say now you are public speaker.
So I'm like gradually, okay, you will see me there also, okay, but gradually I'm trying to upgrade myself. Okay, gradually one day you will see me like helping a lot of people, motivating a lot of people in a stage. So gradually I will learn everything. I have to learn that. Yes.
Wow, that's great. So I have also one question. If you not would be, okay, like a YouTuber, English speaker, so what you will be in your career?
Okay, means you are trying to say, means if I'm fail in my YouTube
Uh,
journey, if I fail as a public speaker, or if I'm fail in my life, so what will I do?
no, 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 no. My question is that if what I mean to say, what would you be if you are not a YouTuber and English speaker?
Okay, fine. So in my life, I don't have only one thing. Okay, because when I was exploring like 1 year back, I was exploring myself, what I'm good at. Then I came into communication, and I do a lot of things. Okay, so my like I have a lot of things. Okay, like I also want to go in the English journey. Okay, like as I want to help a lot of people, I also want to go in public speaking journey, and as well as I also in the journey of YouTube also. Okay, so and I have a lot of things. Okay, because I want to become something great in life. I don't want to live how 90% people are living. Okay, if you
Hmm.
will say, okay, 90% people don't have that good lifestyle, can't live that, is not happy, are not satisfied with their thing. So I want to be happy, I want to be satisfied, I want to be rich, I want to have luxury, I want to
Hmm.
have everything in my life, I want to lead a good lifestyle, I want to help people. Okay, so also I want to, as I see myself as a business, like I'm very interested in business. Okay, so very soon, okay, I will also go in the field of entrepreneurship. Okay,
Mhm.
startup and all, and I have a lot of things in my mind. Just
Mhm.
now I'm exploring a lot of things. Okay, as
Mhm.
if I talk about now, okay, till my 18, till I don't complete my 18, okay, okay, till I don't complete my 18, I will explore a lot of things. Right now, I explore a lot of things. No matter what the thing is, I like that thing, I don't like that thing, that is in my interest, that is in not my interest. I do a lot of things, I explore a lot of things. And those who are watching the video right now, okay, if they are under 20, or like if their age is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 till 25 or something, okay, they are in 20s, but
Mhm.
20s, it is the best time, okay, especially when you are under 20, it is the best time to explore. Do all the things, find what you are good at. Definitely
Mhm.
you can find one thing you are good at. So right now I'm doing the same. Even I have not explored everything, I'm
Mhm.
exploring everything, I'm getting everything to know. One day I will get to know, okay, I'm good at something, these things
Mhm.
I'm good at, these things I'm bad at, because I'm doing everything. Okay, so this is my answer. Yes.
Wow, that's great. Awesome, awesome, great. So, what are the message you would like to give who are beginner and who are English, who are learning English skills?
Okay, fine. So the message for the audience, okay, your audience as well as my audience. So I would
Hmm.
give that if you want to improve English, if you want to improve your communication skills, do practice, don't do anything. Okay. Do practice, okay. Take my advice for do it only for 1 month. Okay. What I'm giving, because different people give different kind of advice. Because when I was in learning journey, some people was telling Rishabh, do this, do learn grammar, do watch movies, lot of things. Okay, but nobody have told me right thing. So today I'm telling you right thing, because from zero I have came. I was one day nothing 1 year ago. I was very bad at communication. I think if Mr. Ravi, I think you don't know from when I've started. No, I was
Yeah,
very bad. Yeah, I was not
yeah,
so good.
yeah,
You know, if you
yeah,
can remember 1 year back how I was. Okay, I think I was
yeah,
connected. Yeah,
yeah,
that
yeah.
time I was not good. That time also I was learning. So my
We,
communication.
yeah, we were same, Fauzi sir.
Yeah, exactly. So do lot of practice, talk to people. Okay, or not only I will tell those people who are only in the English journey. If you want to improve your English, also improve your communication, also talk to people, do practice. And those people who are not learning English, also not improving communication skills, also for them also I will tell them talk to people, because how I changed my life, what I am right now today. Little bit, I don't think so. I'm very big. Little bit what I am right now today. I think what I am right now is 1%. What 1% I am right now is due to talking to people. So you should, if you're watching right now the video, go right now from today itself. Go however you want to do. Talk to people. Start talking to different people. Okay, no matter he's senior, he's junior, he's doing job, he's doing business, anything he might be doing. Talk to people either in Hindi, in English, in your regional
Mhm.
language, Urdu, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil. How which language? Talk to people.
Mhm.
I guarantee
Yeah,
you
yeah.
will learn a lot of things within 1 month if you talk to people, because till now I have talked to more than 5,000 people. Okay, always I keep on talk 5,000 people I have completed. I always keep
Mhm.
on talking to people. So talk to
Mhm.
people, you will learn lot of things. Lot things are there to learn, because you are in
Mhm.
a small area. For example, wherever you live, in you are in a small area. Might be you live in a village, you live in a city. You are in very small area. You don't know about the world. How is the world? How they behave? How they talk? How what they do? Talk to people. You will not get to know that okay, this person is doing this. He is doing this. This is the culture. This is the so everything you will get to know. You will become more mature. You will improve your learning. You will improve your uh, communication skills. You will improve English. You will improve most of the thing by talking to people. So do it from right now. Okay, start talking to people from right now. Those who are watching me, after 1 year you will come and tell to me thank you. After 1 year you will definitely thank me if you follow my advice or if you follow my message right now.
Yeah,
Yes.
definitely, definitely. And this they must, have to follow, brother, because without following, our career would be become very, disaster.
Yes, exactly.
That's great. So, and yeah, I would like to ask one.